Anach Tamajin Shaw Gaeilge for Gil, Glornamona, Ijani Lanchel Starrel, Comanoiga sainriachtanais to Jerry her pháistí le riachtanais breise a tag freastal na Bunscoileanna agus Choláiste Feirste. Siomra sensory agin agus timid kinsigimation in a Kenyal bu more leis an taidir fad agus an Choláiste Feirste Juna Teishmhóir. Ta siomrálín an seo agin agus béimid ag deannaí tos skillan a páisiant agus socialtain na níní yoga. Comáile sin bé siomran clúthaí agin agus cógracht ag teitsim amach gach seachtain.
Basically, I'm a youth worker myself, and to be honest, there's not that many youth services, especially for young people who have special educational needs or autism. It's autism my dad has, and there's very little out there. He had been to a couple before, but he just didn't engage because Irish is his first love. So in terms of the Irish medium sector, there was absolutely nothing, and I'm absolutely delighted just to have something for him to go to.
If you know what's right, then you walk away.
For many years we've been searching for things for children with autism, and it hasn't existed. And as a parent myself of a child with autism, when my child was diagnosed, I was given 2 training sessions and then just left to it.
We have different things to engage different senses, so you have your visual senses, and here is your 3 wee things to sort of engage the creativity of the kids. You can see already that some of the kids are really enjoying this.
So my child went through the Irish language and there was absolutely nothing for him outside socially. Things like this have a really big impact on children's mental health in a positive way, and it just can't be rolled out enough. I'm delighted it's starting, but I just hope there's going to be a whole lot more to follow.
Fi fáil so war, Gaeilge an arna Gaeilge Fómhair pháistí le oideachas agus SEN sa cantar seo ag go bhfuil na services sin fáil trí bhean na Beirle ach an drochar Sean Céad Common in éarthar Belfast a bhfuil Gaeilgeoirí abalta an service sin a ail. Anach muid ag fáiltí Teishmhóir agus Teisbint an anad dóibh. Tá mór rudaí fáil den na pháistí yoga an seo, a leithid den álainn agus Johnny Cuan, cluichí board, cluichí PlayStation agus a leithid. Teigim muid in is go bhfuil seo just a bunclach agus go bhfuil muid géirí tógáil sin tríd taithí na Teishmhóirí agus na pháistí.
Muid ag fólam óna daoine yoga sin gach seachtain, faoi riachtanais seachú, faoi na Kenyal service atá siad i ggéirí, so tá muid go mór i ggéirí go na daoine yoga a Clinston, comáile sin na teiste, tá muid i ggéirí go mór caidir bh thógáil lá agus tróir a ghlacu bhuaigh, so seo an céadar de service mar seo a bheith fáil, so bé muid ag fólam céim ach tá muid i ggéirí go mór gur seo tústain service agus ní bheith ní smó service mar seo ag teitsim amach.
Hello, my name is Emer. I work in Choláiste Feirste. I'm the Special Education Needs Coordinator there. So I'm just so thrilled that this is happening tonight when Orlaise first put in the funding last term. She came down to have a chat with us and we were very despondent about the whole thing, thinking, well, sure, you're going to ask for this again and nothing will happen. And Orlaise is a great girl for saying, yeah, well, what do you say it will happen? So she kept going, so this is fantastic. Anything with Irish medium, it always starts off really small, a lovely wee group of people, and that's what I think is precious about Irish medium. And as you know yourself, in no time, this small little thing just will expand. Do the children need this in our community? The children need this everywhere, globally, around the whole world. So do we want it for us? 100%. Do we want it through the medium of Irish? All the more so. So it's lovely that I'm here and seeing the colleagues that I work with every day going to be here in the evening because they're the best people who are working with your children.
Tumise gobar mar cúntar ranga Choláiste Feirste, so nuair thola muid fin teogra seo, bhí muid ar bais mar bhí muid leithreach, bhí muid abalta daltaí, swinir daltaí a Meán service seo fuaisteachta, go háirithe do na déagóirí, is agstráibh Kenyal forbert socialta dhéanamh, ag saoil to dóibh teacht agus just Kenyal Scéistebh a bheith acu fé gráir leis an obair grúpa tá muid abalta déireas teach gur forbairt socialta acu féin winne nás blachas agus tan obair intatíirthe so tá sé maiddóibh.
So an rud atá géirí táid géirí a dhéana an seo na sort id cruthíthe a covenant daine an seo a bhfuil lán caiilethe san álainn. There's people here that are through and through fantastic at art, and you'll have a wide range of activities for them to do, and I'll never be left wanting.
Sun teachnaigh mó leatha agus ag bualadh le cardja.
Okay. Oscar, may I get a start? Cultural.
Very, very gentle. She doesn't have any teeth. She doesn't have any sharp claws. She doesn't have anything.
Tell me what do you get when you come to the club? What do you get to do?
Play.
Do you get to meet friends?
Yeah.
Did you love the rat tent show?
Yes. 3 animals or tigers I liked. Scorpion, because I light up. A snake and also a chancellor. Can I say this?
Yes, go.
See the school days up to school, maybe this club should be open on Sundays and stuff instead of Friday. Because Friday's only one day you go to.
You come here every week, so tell us, what do you love about the Club in Oiga?
Well, mostly the Lego or the giant TV.
Oh, and do you have friends here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Dogs, and you see her big, massive claws.
Can she see us?
She can't see us.
How about this club to be on for like every night?
Every night?
Oh wow.
And would you not go to the other youth club? You only like this one?
Yeah, I like this one.
I'm Andy, training manager here at Learning Space. I'm absolutely delighted to be working together with Glór na Móna on the training of delivering of ASD and sensory. It is important to the organisation to move forward in understanding that training. It's also important to the wider community that this is a continuation, and it is looked at in the field where through Irish Medium we have this spread out. It is important to the young people to have a venue, a place that they can come to every week and have an understanding, but also being understood in the wider community by moving forward into possibly mainstream groups like this. And this will be important. Learning Space is all about providing products as well, and we're hoping to roll out a sensory area within Glór na Móna, which will also benefit children with ASD and sensory special educational needs even further.
Is obair aige mise tá obair fan fad Meán Fóirste. Thosaigh mé couple of bliain ó hin le Cumann Óige na Bháil an sin tá mé obair Cumann Óige Dacardaí ó hin agus nuair a thola mé fin charman a bhí táiseacht bhí mé géirí obair an seo. Sílim just specialta aontacha tá an na pháistí seo an taon deise acu de pháistí a réicnis breise acu. Beidir nach bhfuil sásta in sa Cumann Óige eile nó comportach. Seo spás sáilte dóibh agus bíonn siad sáilte, comportach, bíonn siad ag sugrú agus ag pléig maith lena chéile agus malaí tá agam ná tá bhain níos mó í heáin bí thuing.
Solas.